So this is my 1990 E30 M3. It is factory original minus the seat. Runs and drives just fine. It's been sitting outside for about 15 years, and that bumper is so faded it needs some spray paint. Yep, I said spray paint. Here we go. Yep, that bumper has seen some wear and tear. So it had the mirrors and the back wing, but this whole thing needs to be sprayed, buffed or polished or something. But first things first, this white bumper here, the plastic's coming through the paint. And I did that spot right there, just real quick. And I mean, it's okay. But for now, I cannot stand the white coming through. I cannot stand it. It's such a sore thumb. It just sticks out. And I'm just going to paint it black just right now, just to get it done. So yeah, I'm going to use this paint right here. U-Paul Satin Black 801. Again, I'm going to clean it, maybe sand it a little bit, and spray it. Simple as that. Alright, first step, just basic clean it. Visible glass. Just put it on there. And just wipe it down. Basic cleaning. We're not fancy here. We're not fancy. All taped up, pretty much. I'm going to use this cardboard here to mask off the headlights. A little bit at a time, and the front grille and the emblems and all that stuff. But yeah, basic masking. So what do you think about the emblem? Should I do that too, or keep it like rustic? I kind of like it the way it is. I don't know. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know about that, the emblem. I don't know. Looks kind of cool that way. It's like German patina. Sure. All right, let's start painting. See how this goes. No guarantees here. Oh, not bad. There we go. Not bad. This spray paint goes on so light. I'm not worried about drips because it goes on so light. It's awesome. It's better than I thought it would be. Hell yeah. Let me get the corner here. No, I need the do that real quick. Watch out for the wheel. Nice. I'll take it. I'll take that all day long. Dude, this came out so well for being spray paint. I mean, come on. Come on. What do you want? 5 minutes of work here, literally. Come on now, that looks great. That looks fantastic. All right, all done here. On to the next project.